Welcome to Graphic 45's Cafe Parisian kit introduction video. I'm Shari Philamahala here at the Graphic 45 office, and I am so excited to walk you through our Volume 9 for 2022 kits. Each month we come out with two different kits. We come out with a card kit and an album kit. You can be a subscriber to either one or both of them, or you can always pick up the kits a la carte. Now, to hop right in, we've got our album kit here. This one is done up for us this month by Carla Vera. So we're gonna transform this into this. You can see Carla has added so many gorgeous fussy cut details on the front cover and keeping it closed with a nice Graphic 45 trim closure. Then you open it up, you can see we've got two fun little pocket folder details, giving us all that space to add in your extra photos and really make this your own little masterpiece. So we've got another folder here, so cute. And it's going to be fun to add that kind of detail into all your projects going forward. We've got this full page pocket here with some nice photo mat here. We've got ample space in this giant, this is a full page pocket. So you can put in all your extra photos that don't fit in here, as well as your trinkets and memorabilia. You've got these cute little cut aparts that slip right into this super adorable pocket page here. And then for our first horizontal waterfall, we've got a nice little decorative page here. And then Carla's really bringing it with this interactive fold out element here. It's just a simple way to add extra spots for personalizing this cute album. I love this technique and want to add it to all my paper crafting projects. I'm sure you will as well. And then over here, we've got a vertical waterfall for all of those gorgeous photos. So to create this, you're gonna need to pick up our Volume 9 kit. In your kit, you're gonna get the Cafe Parisian 12 by 12 collection papers. This is a deluxe collector's edition, so we brought it out quite a few years ago, and it's been such a hit, and we've had so many requests to bring it back that we are thrilled to finally have it back on shelves and in our hands, ready to create with. You're also gonna be getting, of course, the Trifold album. It comes with pre-made waterfall features in there, pocket pages, and a nice sturdy cover, including magnets and all the goodies. And of course, you're gonna get the ivory trim, along with a Graphic 45 bag to store all your goodies in, and a project sheet with step-by-step directions on how to recreate this album. Of course, I'm going to show you how to recreate the album in a video tutorial. You can find that link in the description below. And of course, you can pick up these kits at your local G45 retailer or on our website, g45papers.com. Now, to hop on over to our card kit for this month, these fun and dimensional cards have been created for us by Nancy Wethington. These floral cone cards are so super cute. You can see there's a lot of great dimension with these fussy mussies, and we're gonna be doing so many fun techniques with those flower assortments. Some gorgeous decoration on the inside as well. And for those of you who like to keep things more on the flat side, so you can throw this in the mail, here are some great examples of how you can do that as well. So this is our first card I'm going to teach you. The second card I will teach you. You can see we've got some great fussy cuts with some floral backgrounds. And the third, we're teaching you how to take this fun fussy cut and have a floral explosion coming out and doing some more fun inking to those flowers. I'm going to teach you how to do these three here, and then with those leftovers, I will show you how to create the other three for a total of 6 cards. Now to create these cards, you're going to need our Volume 9 card kit, which includes the Cafe Parisian 8x8 papers. You're going to get 24 double-sided sheets in there. You're going to get the Cafe Parisian chipboard, as well as our ivory flower assortments. So many fun pieces there, including butterflies, leaves, flowers, and our new marine blue graphic 45 ink pad, as well as some A2 craft nice card bases and envelopes. You get 6 of each of those. And then of course, you're gonna get that project sheet and the bag to store it all in. You can find these on our website as well at g45papers.com. And you can find the tutorial on how to recreate all of these cards in the link below. So we encourage you to grab your supplies. You can even grab what you've got in your stash. Click those links below and create along with us this month. Of course, we thank you for joining us for this unveiling. And if you're looking for more great videos like this, project ideas, you want to see what's new at Graphic 45, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a new fun and fabulous video. Again, thank you so much. And as always, happy paper crafting.